Well, in this morning's Money Watch, the COVID downturn was the shortest in history.
And U.S. home builders are happy with buyer demand, but higher construction costs are starting to eat away at their confidence. Jane King live in New York following these stories for us and more. Good morning, Jane.
Yes, good morning. In fact, home builder confidence hit an 11-month low. So builders say they're dealing with the rising cost of materials and a worker shortage. And in fact, lumber prices have fallen by more than 50%, but those savings have not yet trickled down to the builders, remodelers, or consumers. Supply chain issues, as well as low inventory with suppliers, are keeping those prices of lumber for the builders elevated, at least for now. Now, meanwhile, Associated Builders and Contractors say the U.S. needs 1 million construction workers right now. The industry shut down for a few months last year during the pandemic, but it was quickly deemed essential, so that did allow some paused projects to continue. But in that short time, the sector did lose more than 1 million workers. And the COVID recession lasted just 2 months. It was the shortest downturn in U.S. history. The National Bureau of Economic Research says it began in March and then ended in April of 2020. The Dow had its worst drop this year yesterday, falling more than 700 points. Rising COVID cases, lingering worries about the economy. In fact, it was those like airlines, cruise lines, the companies that would be the hardest hit if there were more restrictions placed on the economy. They led things lower yesterday. Looks like we'll open about 200 points higher today. Live from New York, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
All right, Jane, thanks so much for that update. We appreciate it.